Alright, so I just reached MG Mark, and yeah, I will be trying out certain cafes here because, you know, trying to find good places to eat, good food to eat. And I had searched like if in anywhere in Gangtok macaroons are available, and there was this cafe that showed that they sell macaroons on Google. So yeah, I am gonna just go and see if they actually sell macaroons or not, because I wanted to have macaroons for so long. It's little ahead of Khan Chacha's biryani, and ooh, XOXO is also open here. Okay, so the name of the cafe that I'm searching is Baking Magic, and I've already like crossed MG Mark, and I am moving in front of the pantaloons. So let's see, the location according to Google Map is a bit ahead of it. Found it. Bummer guys, the macarons are over. Maybe I could have got them if I was like early, but yeah. But the donuts look good, so maybe I'll get one of those. The macarons are over, it seems, so I'm settling down with a donut. This is their blueberry mousse. So yeah. I think it would have been nicer if it was like warm, but still it's tasty. Anyway, cute place. I'll finish up my donut here and try out another cafe nearby. Let's see. Moving on to the next cafe now. There's this new cafe, it seems, Bali. I think I'm gonna step in there.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Alright, came out of Bali. That has a nice ambience. And next up, I wanna go to the local cafe, which is always crowded. I hope I get a place to sit today because I really want to have laughing.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.
As always, the cafe is full, and yeah, I'll wait here for some time. That's the place.
For way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay creative and stay curious. Peace out.